The LokiFire Table Top Firepit with Smores Maker Kit is a unique and versatile product that brings the warmth and charm of a fire pit into any setting, whether indoors or outdoors. This compact fire pit is designed with a beautiful terrazzo finish on concrete, giving it a modern and durable appearance that fits well as a decorative piece on a dining table, patio, or even a cozy indoor space. It weighs just over 4 pounds, making it light enough to be portable but sturdy enough to stay put without tipping over easily. The hexagonal shape adds to its aesthetic appeal and stability. Its dimensions are modest, measuring about 5.5 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches in height, making it unobtrusive yet effective. One of the standout features of this fire pit is its smokeless design, which uses ethanol fuel or rubbing alcohol instead of wood. This eliminates the mess of ash and soot, making it cleaner and safer for indoor use. The fire pit includes 2 stainless steel burn cups that help dissipate heat efficiently, preventing the unit from becoming too hot to touch. This thoughtful design enhances safety and usability, especially in indoor environments or when used around children. The included ceramic wool insert ensures a consistent and controlled flame, extending the burn time and providing a reliable source of warmth and ambience. The LokiFire Fire Pit also comes with a fun and practical Smores Maker Kit. It includes 2 extendable marshmallow roasting sticks that can reach up to 2 feet in length, allowing users to safely roast marshmallows indoors or outdoors. This feature transforms the fire pit from a simple decorative item into an interactive and enjoyable experience for families and friends. The setup is straightforward, with clear instructions, making it accessible even for those unfamiliar with portable fire pits. Users have praised the LokiFire Fire Pit for its ease of use and effectiveness. Many appreciate how quickly it lights up with just rubbing alcohol and a lighter, providing instant warmth and a cozy atmosphere. The included lid is a heavy-duty accessory that allows users to safely snuff out the flame when finished, adding to the convenience and safety of the product. The fire pit's weight and design make it stable even in mild outdoor wind conditions, which is a significant advantage compared to lighter or less stable alternatives. The product has received high ratings from customers, with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 100 reviews. Many buyers have found it to be an excellent gift option for various occasions such as Christmas, birthdays, weddings, housewarmings, and even as a fun white elephant gift. Its appeal crosses demographics, being appreciated by families, coworkers, and casual users alike. The compact size and elegant design make it a perfect addition to any home or outdoor gathering, providing both functionality and style. While the fire pit is praised for its many qualities, some users note that the fuel, ethanol, or rubbing alcohol is not included, which is an important consideration for first-time buyers. Additionally, because it is a small fire pit, it is best suited for intimate settings rather than large outdoor fires. However, for its intended use as a tabletop or portable fire pit, it excels in delivering a safe, clean, and enjoyable fire experience. Overall, the LokiFire Tabletop Fire Pit with Smores Maker Kit is a well-designed, high-quality product that offers a unique combination of decorative appeal, portability, and interactive fun. Its smokeless, safe flame and included roasting sticks make it ideal for creating memorable moments with family and friends, whether during a movie night indoors or a casual outdoor gathering. The product's strong build, ease of use, and thoughtful features make it a standout choice in the category of portable fire pits and gift items. For anyone looking to add warmth, ambiance, and a touch of fun to their home or outdoor space, this fire pit is a worthy investment. If you already own this fire pit, consider leaving your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase is in the description and supports the channel.